This is our door lock for our 2005 31-foot Class C RV, a Coachman Santera. It's been working fine for over 17 years, but finally it hit the big one. I'll just take it apart and see what's going on. I removed 3 screws on the back panel to take a look inside. Here's the back of the door lock with the panel removed. Should be easy to pull it out. Wrong. The darn thing will not come out. So I went to the professional online user manual, known as YouTube. Aha! There's the problem. There is a long bolt or latch that moves left and right in and out of the strike plate hole. Over time, it breaks in half, leaving the bolt inside the strike plate, which is why I couldn't get the door lock out. The remainder of the bolt had to be removed. Most people can get to it with a screwdriver to wedge it out, but that didn't work. My solution? Brute force with a big drill bit and a drill. Now for the replacement. We purchased a motorhome door lock from eTrailer.com. The customer service was outstanding. They answered all my questions and even notified me about the shipment status of my door lock. It comes with 2 keys, door edge plate, strike plate, and installation hardware. The construction is zinc with a nice black finish. There are rubber foam gaskets to provide a tight seal against the door. There are 2 lock cylinders that allow securing the latch handle and deadbolt separately. The keys can be made to fit both locks, or you can have them keyed separately. Now for the installation. I did a trial fit, but noticed that there was an aluminum spacer from the old door lock that needed to be removed to allow the new lock to fit properly. Here, I put the new door lock in place, ready for the side screws to be put in. Now for the back plate. The deadbolt rod must match the position of the deadbolt knob. With the back plate in place, it's time to put in the 4 screws. A magnetic screwdriver comes in handy, especially when you're by yourself. Let's make sure everything works. Looks good. Now for the final test, lock and load. Mama's gonna love this. Now, at this point, people will ask, what about those spots that the new lock doesn't cover from the old lock? For us, the answer is simple. A while back, my wife and I did a vinyl wrap of the whole rig because it was ugly. We'll simply peel off the old vinyl and replace it with new vinyl. After watching a ton of YouTube videos about vinyl car wraps, we decided to tackle it ourselves. It took us about 3 weeks to do the whole rig. The total cost was about $1,600, much cheaper than hiring a professional painter. Check this out. Thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe.